Unlock your AI and energy videos and stand out with authentic daily connections for your career growth. In today's fast-paced digital world, standing out is no longer about having the loudest voice or how polished your resume is. With over 25 years of experience and over 100 television commercials under my belt, I know the power of on-camera presence and authentic energy. It's about connection, authentic and meaningful connections that leave a lasting impression. Now, whether you're going into a virtual meeting or recording a social media video or networking at an event, your success hinges on how well you align your energy and engage with others. This isn't about communication. It's about transformation. Think about Oprah Winfrey. What makes her one of the most influential figures in the world? It's not just her talent. It's her hard work. It's her ability to be able to connect. When Oprah speaks, people listen. They listen. I mean, her energy is grounded. Her presence is magnificent. And it's magical. Her gestures and her words, they feel intentional. She doesn't just deliver information. She delivers emotion. That's the power of aligning your energy and using your physical communication to make an impact. So, how can you harness this same power in your daily life? Let's break it down into 3 actionable steps. Number 1, ground your energy. Before stepping into any important situation, whether it's a meeting, a video recording, or presenting, take at least 30 seconds to ground yourself. Stand tall, take a deep breath, and visualize the outcome you choose to achieve. This simple act of centering your energy is not only it calms your nerves, but it sharpens your focus and makes you appear confident and composed at all times. Second thing, master the power of macro movements. Small movements give a clue on the difference in how others perceive you. Now, maintain steady eye contact to show engagement. Use open gestures to build trust and avoid crossing your arms, which can come across as defensive a lot of times. So think about Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson. His charisma isn't just in his words, but in how he carries himself. His deliberate movements and his open body language makes him approachable and powerful at the same time. Here's the third. Tell your story. Facts and figures inform, but stories really connect. Share a moment of your life that reflects your values and your journey. For example, I'm a business owner, and I talk all the time about how I lost over $1 million in my real estate company years ago. So don't worry, everything's okay now, years later. Now, when people see and hear about the human side of you, they're more likely to trust and relate to you. Here's the truth. People don't just hear your words. They feel your energy. Now, if your energy and communication aren't aligned, your audience won't connect. But when you move with intention and speak with authenticity and engage with purpose, you create opportunities that elevate your life and your career at the same time. So are you ready to take the first step? Start small. Begin each day with grounding exercises and practice gestures for your next meeting, and share your story in your next video or your next conversation. These small changes will have a big impact on how you connect with other people. If you're ready to move deeper into mastering energy connection patterns and physical communication technology, let's work together. I'll show you how to unlock your full potential and create an authentic connections that drive your success to the next level. Visit kerryruff.com, KerryRuff, Frank, or email me at kerryjruff@gmail.com and start your journey. Your future begins with how you show up today. Keep moving your energy differently, and let's do it together. I'm Kerry Ruff.